Hey YouTube, Scott Dunnage Garage. How you doing today? Well, we're out here at Hall County Park and we're going to do a walk around of our camper Pepper. Stay tuned. There's two objectives to this video. The first one is to show anyone who's renting Pepper how to set it up, how to use it, and what's included. The other part to this video is to show the camper in its clean or cleanish setup so you can see what it looks like before we take it to Alaska. Pepper is an Outbound Extreme camper built in 2025. It takes a 2-inch ball receiver to tow. Comes with a spare tire and two 5-gallon Scepter water jugs. She has 15-inch wheels and heavy-duty rear jacks. Let's show you how those work. Pull your pin out. Don't take it all the way out, but lower it down to whatever setting you need. Put your pin back in. And then just simply crank. This is strong enough to lift up the back of the camper, so if you have a flat tire, you can change it. These are made for leveling out the camper. It does have shore power, and we'll explain that on the inside. And it has a fan. All 3 windows open for ventilation. Now this is what Pepper looks like on the inside. You got a 5-inch memory foam full-size mattress. You have 3 pillows up here. Again, you have 3 windows, and you have cubbies in the back. So you have 2 cubbies on each side and a shelf with the window behind you. At the end of the full-size mattress, you have extra room for storage and the 2 included camp chairs. Now your shore power, if it's cold, you can plug in an electric heater. Ideally, this will plug into the Lion power box that will run the fan and give you areas to charge your phones in. This cord here runs from the fan to the Lion for powering up the fan. To run the Lion Energy Summit, simply hit your button on top. It'll give you your charge. Open your 12-volt, 10-amp cigarette adapter. And then plug in this cord. Then hit the yellow button underneath. And that will tell you we are at currently 91%. And at this point you have 99 hours, 59 minutes of battery life. To turn on the fan, open up your crank. Make sure you close it when you're driving. And then hit your power button. It'll beep at you. Speed up or speed down, or you can reverse it if it's turned off. Turn it off, hit reverse, and it'll spin it the other way. To charge it, this is your power brick. Red and black plug on that. Red and plug black on there. So open up your charge port. Red, black. Red, black. Match the colors, plug it in. Plug the other side of the brick into your shore power. And then when you're done, just hit the off button. And the other off button. And that's it. Pepper will also have an LED tap light up on the ceiling or up on the front wall. I haven't decided where I'm going to put it yet. Now let's go look at the tongue box. First thing you'll notice in the tongue box is the camp table. dishes, your cookware, and an extension cord. Let's go look at all these goodies. All right, let's set up the table. You just simply pull it out, open it up, and it opens out. Take your legs. It's got inner holes and outer holes. There's little pins inside here that correspond. The inner holes go in first on the bottom. Take your table, take the 2 pins or clips, put them in the outer holes. And simply unfold it. That's it. Now let's take a look at your cookware. You have a 2-burner camp stove. Let's take a close look at the stove. This simply screws into the side. You will need to bring the green 1-pound propane bottles. Your igniter is right here. When you're done, simply turn the grates upside down. And then just simply clip it and you're done. Kettle for boiling water, a skillet, pot, the lid fits on both. French press coffee maker, can opener, sharp kitchen knife, tongs, potato peeler, spatula, 2 spoons, cutting board, and a griddle. Now let's take a look at your dishes. 2 cups, 2 bowls, 2 plates, 4 spoons, 4 forks, 4 knives, 2 sharper steak knives. This is all included with the rental. Also included, deck of cards, dice, Yahtzee, toilet paper, trash bags, lighter, camp lantern, frisbee. There'll be paper towels and dish soap also included, and a collapsible sink for doing your dishes. I know this was a shorter video and it's not normally what I do. This video is more set up for people who are looking at renting pepper or people who are curious to see the setup before we go to Alaska. So thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you want to help out the channel, please consider subscribing. You have yourself a blessed day. And remember, life's an adventure. Go live it.